Hi friends. Welcome to my channel Newsgirl Technical Gossip, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest news about the technology first. Throw the confetti in the air, sound the air horns and run around like you're crazy. The LG G5 has finally received Android 8.0 Aria. While we don't want to be a wet blanket, we do have to throw in a qualifier. Only the Verizon and T-Mobile models are receiving the OTA update at this point in time. Besides Aria, the update adds the August Android security patch. Android 8.0 includes picture-in-picture, allowing users to watch video even when interacting with another app in the background. Notification dots appear on an app's icon to alert you to an unread notification. And you will be able to snooze notifications on the LG G5 once the update is installed. Other features include a streamlined settings menu and a step up in battery optimization. As a general rule, once you receive the notification that the update has arrived, you should make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi signal and have your battery fully charged before starting the process of installing the update. While the update is being installed, do not turn off your phone. Verizon and T-Mobile versions of the LG G5 are updated to Android 8.0 Aria. Verizon and T-Mobile versions of the LG G5 are updated to Android 8.0 Aria. The LG G5 was launched in March 2016 with Android 6.0 Marshmallow running the show and was subsequently updated to Android 7.0 Nougat. Since the Android 8.0 update is being sent out OTA, the release is staggered, which means that you might not receive it for a few days yet. You can sit idly by and wait, or manually coax it out of the phone by going to Settings System Updates. Check for new system update. Thanks for watching.